As an aviation maintenance technician, you are the doctor and the surgeons of that aircraft. You are the difference between making sure that aircraft is healthy and safe and well so that everybody that depends on that aircraft comes home safe. It really needs to be a calling that you feel passionate about, that you want to be responsible for people's lives, that you want to know that every aircraft that goes up in that air is going to be safe coming down. We have a lot of instructors that have been out in the career field. They believe strongly in the students. They believe in the students understanding the entire systems and how everything's integrated and interwoven and how it works. If you don't understand how every component of that engine works and why things work the way they do, these symptoms of an unhealthy aircraft, then you can't fix it no matter what. You've got to be that doctor. You've got to understand the health of the aircraft. And our campus, our instructors do a beautiful job. We have them thrive in a kinetic learning environment. We have people, they tried construction, they tried the warehouses, they've tried all the things that in the Midwest is very traditional for people to do, and they never had any idea or concept that their life could be bigger and greater. And once they have that door open to them and realize that, oh my gosh, aviation is something I can have as part of my everyday life, and the world is bigger